Yep, you've got to protect your children. It's vitally important because they are after the children. It's the #1 war in this world.
Yellow Peter. 5. 260 for 5 of these people. You see how expensive they are? Alright. Mad.
Yep, you've got to protect your children. It's vitally important because they are after the children. It's the #1 war in this world.
People, so our good vibes, so we're outside. And yes, let's protect our children as people, yeah.
I'll put something in your pocket.
Good vibes. So look, go on.
Yep, you've got to protect your children. It's vitally important because they are after the children. It's the #1 war in this world.
Why?
There is monsters, evil predators, and very greedy.
Remember he said monsters and evil predators, people, yeah? Store that in mind.
Evil predators, monsters.
Where you say, Tata? I don't know, joke.
I don't know on joke. Give thanks and praise to His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. I could never be no joke. Rastafari people rise, shine through creation, you know. Dark, true. Most uplifting.
Yes, people, big up yourself. You don't know, so we have to get a jelly coconut water, you know, big up on yourself, you know. Happy Kwanzaa. And you understand, a blessed festive season to everybody that's watching right now, people, yeah. That is it, a good vibes. Yes, people, just a pass through the town today. You understand? Just I'll show you what I want over this festive period right now. You understand? And Tata just a cut through jelly coconut water. You don't know anything about people. Yeah, man, a good vibes, you know. I hope you guys have enjoyed the journey. Welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you very much for 20k subscribers, people. Yeah, wow. I didn't know that we would have reached there like this, people. Yeah, boy. But guess what? I have to thank each and every one of you that have been here on the journey with me, that have been supporting me on the journey, people. Yeah, you guys have been absolutely amazing. I'm just cutting through the market. I'm here just flexing with Tata Sedway, people. Yeah, yeah, man. So I'm just gonna show you what I go on today, people. Yeah, on my journey, people. Yeah, so I'm just vlogging my day today, people. Yeah, a good vibe Sedway. Jelly coconut water on my menu right now. You understand? A good vibes. Money.
Yeah, money.
Money, yeah. Sure. Yo.
What go on, bro?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Good vibes. Yeah, man. Walk through the place, people. That is it. Look at the queue. She said there's a queue. She said we did tell you. That is the queue. So we reached the end of the market and we're just gonna cut through. Good wind, you know. So Rastafari, you understand, just a pass through the place. Because you see, if they're not getting homeless no food, yo, nature, we just slap with them sitting quickly, people. And the things I joke out there. We blow up on them lightning and thunder. Yes, people, big up Mummy, you know, because she come from Westmoreland. Mummy, big up yourself, yeah? Alright. Have a good one, yeah? Yes. When you say Tata, you say you get some. I want that.
And that is spewing up when me talk about the herbs and volcano erupt.
Tata get some jelly in them thing, and I don't know what thing of people outside.
Time I sound big #1 with fair play take.
That is it, a good vibes. Yes, people, so we're here with the Lordship himself and my lady Sue. What you not doing prowling out on the roadside?
We've been out the children's thing.
Is that going on now?
Yeah, it's up there now.
I just stepped out. Let's go and have a look.
Primark, innit? Come.
Let's go and have a look. So, tell us about it. What's going on?
I've been handing out leaflets about social services and how they treat them and where the money goes and stuff like that.
Yeah. And Kerry.
That's what it's about. It's stealing children, mate.
Yeah.
Where you've got children yourself, it's something you should get involved in.
It's true. So what is it? Give us a little bit more insight so that everyone that's watching right now knows a little bit what I go on. Because I'm just out today, people. Yeah.
Adam Lucky's over there.
All right. So we've got a few people.
Lucky.
So we're busy out on the roadside.
Ringo Up there.
Lucky, what's going on up there? Well, go on.
Yeah, there we go.
Take him up there.
What's going on, Lucky?
Right. So basically, what's going on is we're trying to support our children.
Yeah. Children's rights, yeah?
Children's rights and their social services, parents' rights as well.
Yes.
So I'll get some flyers and we'll post up a flyer in a minute.
All right, people. So yeah, as you see, I'm just out in the local town, Croydon, right now, and this is what's gonna happen. This is what's happening right now. Yeah, a good vibe.
Come on, Adam.
Yeah. Adam, what on? What are you doing? That's the man about a dog. A good vibes. We're outside today.
Yes, people, how we going? Merry Christmas to everyone.
That is
Festive
it.
season.
Yeah.
Back on the coconut milk, he's loving it.
Charged up.
Yeah,
Charged
mate.
up.
Lovely.
Let me take you up. Let me meet my little family.
All right, say nothing. We're going up to the top, people, yeah? And I did say we're going up to the top, yeah? So let's go. Yes, people. So we're in Croydon. We're on the High Street right now. So, yeah, man, big up.
To the centre over there.
Our good vibes. Yeah, man, so just big up yourselves. You understand our good vibes. Merry Christmas to everybody that's out here. You understand? Bill, what one? You good, yeah?
I am, mate. Yeah, how are you?
Merry Christmas, brother.
And you,
Do you want anything?
Like what, mate?
I don't know, a coffee, a drink, something.
Love a latte, please, yeah.
We have to go and get it together. Cause I'm walking up, innit? I'm walking up.
Go on, I'll do it another time then.
You sure?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
100%. Come, let's go and get it.
No, I can't. I need to be here for a minute.
Ah, cool.
I will another time though, yeah?
Alright, the nice one. Yeah. Love. Kerry. A good vibe.
I like his haircut.
I like that.
Alright, a good vibes, people. Sue!
What?
Wagwan.
Eh?
Wagwan. Yes, people, so I'm just outside. We're just gonna park. We're on the High Street. I'm just showing you what's going on right now today, people. Yeah, I'm not been cooking today, but look, I got myself a sugar cane. I got myself a very So what's happening here? Social workers steal children for profit. You understand? Facts. Social workers are out there stealing people's children for profit. How and why? Let's talk to them themselves. A good vibe. My name is Ringo. What's your name? James, can you just tell us how many followers you got? A little bit. Can you just tell us a little bit about what's going on today, James?
Father Christmas will be able to help.
Don't lie.
Father Christmas.
No, wait there. Father Christmas has got the news, everybody.
Hello.
I heard that you bought something for everyone for Christmas. What's the message? This time it's not something to unwrap. This time it's something that you're going to tell them. Tell them what's going on. You have to speak very loud as well, Santa.
You just throw me right on the spot there. You just throw me right on the spot. I tell you what, this coming year, every single person, keep your children safe. Yeah?
Why though? Why?
There is monsters, evil predators, and very greedy.
Remember, he said monsters and evil predators, people. Yeah, store that in mind.
Evil predators, monsters, and greedy officials working within local authorities that are all interested in the paid performance-related bonus. That is the reality of it. It's all about greed. When you open your eyes and you follow where the money goes, you'll see it's all about greed and the money that they generate off the back of children. So please, everyone, enjoy Christmas. Enjoy Christmas.
So what
and keep your children safe.
So what I want to ask you now, yeah, because they may not understand what you're really talking about, and what I want to highlight is that a friend of mine a couple of weeks ago, disciplined his child.
Okay.
Right? Just gave a little smack and said, don't do that. But when the child went into school, the child said, Daddy hit me today. And when Daddy went into school, when the school finished, Daddy got called into a room and said that there's going to be a meeting and there's going to be some officials that's going to be called in because of the allegation that's been made from the child and whatnot. So what I'm trying to say is that everyone, if you are even disciplining your child, it's like you've been restricted to do with your child how you want to deal with your child, just to grow your child so that your child can be grown in this world the rightful way and have respect to elders and others in their environment, and just to discipline your child, you'll be penalised. And what they're out here today to highlight is that your child can be taken away from you, and the monsters that they're talking about is a part of the system, and a part of the system which deals with childcare and which takes people's children away from them. Explain a bit more.
Yeah, basically, the research is one child every 20 minutes is taken.
Yeah, right.
Many of the children are never returned.
And some of these children, by right, are we talking about children that go into care homes, right? And going to different.
Not necessarily just care homes as well. Basically, starting from the family home, where the social workers might become involved in the family setting. They've got an incentive. They have a quota they have to reach per year of the amount of children. Imagine that. Imagine I say a quota. Yeah, you have to achieve that before you get your bonus at the end of the year.
Where do the children go? Where do they go? Where do our kids go? Where do our kids go?
Sorry,
Let's pause that.
Our children, when they're taken and placed in the local authority care, they'll go into the foster care system while the court is being heard. Right? Once the court is being heard,
taken away from their rightful mum and dad.
sometime from birth, from the mother's breast in the hospital. The baby could be 2 days old, 3 days old, where there's no child abuse at all. There's nothing. Children should only be removed.
So what do you feel is the agenda behind
money? Agreed.
It's money. Control. It's a business. It's a business.
It's a business.
All right, people. Protect our children. Because you know that our children have been sold in front of us
for £36,500.
No, hear that. Our children have been sold for £36,500. Wow.
One every 20 minutes.
Every time that child moves from that adoption
You want
placement,
more figures, he can give
right,
you.
your adoption placement, if it breaks down, which breaks down all the time, you have adoptions break down all the time. That child will then be moved from that one broken down placement to another stranger's house.
To another stranger's house.
Every time £36,500 is released.
Until
so that child is technically worth hundreds and hundreds of thousands.
One second. So basically, that child gets watered down until that child totally belongs to the system itself. That's the system baby now. Because they take it from birth. So all the mum and dad did was just basically carried it. There was a donor and a carrier.
I feel like stone bowler
Listen, this is no joke. This is no joke, people, Look out for the rest of this video, our good vibes. People, so our good vibes, so we're outside. And yes, let's protect our children, people,
In your pocket. I'll put something in your pocket.
Our good vibes. So look, go on.
Yeah, you've got to protect your children. It's vitally important because they are after the children. It's the number one war in this world. I don't care what anyone else says. Number one war in this world is our children. Number one cause in this world is our children. And the number one money maker in this world is our children. Because children make their money. They abuse them, they rape them, they torture them, they murder them. And it's pure evil. These evil paedophilia who rule our world are doing this. And you have got to make a stand and fight against this instead of just leading your normal lives, because otherwise you will lose out and it could be your child that is going to be taken.
That is it, people, So man, let's protect our children's people, Our good vibes.
God bless. Keep up the fight. Don't give in.
That is it, you heard it, We're outside, people, Our good vibes. Yes, people, and I'm just outside. You understand? And yeah, man, it's a blessed festive season for everybody. But at the same time, this is what's going on our high street, and I just thought that this relates with us. We have they're talking about protecting our children, and I will support protecting our children's people. I've got the girls them on deck, so I have to protect them. So, and I'm sure you guys got children of your own that's watching as well. So this relates with you also. And if you ain't got children, you may have grandchildren, you may have cousins, nephews, nieces. So it relates with you people, yeah? Our good vibes, one love. Yes, people, so we just jump out of that environment there quickly. Yeah, man, the kids are matter, people, yeah? Still on the road. Right now we reached the West Croydon quickly, people, yeah? That is it, and we're just on the go, people, yeah? Sugarcane, jelly coconut, water vibes. It's raining as well, water vibes. Good vibes. Come on. That is it. A good vibe. You see that, people, yeah? Good vibes only, you see it. No. Anthony, I've been waiting for the hookup. How long?
Check your info. When you're talking about the Christmas thing. Hold on. My guy's smashing it in Croydon, you know. Feeding the homeless, taking care of business. Listen, the love and ratings I have for my brother is mad. Come on. Where you doing the thing?
I'm gonna be in people, so yeah, man, we're outside still. West Croydon, place busy, you understand? West Croydon's a little bit different from the market side of Croydon, people, yeah? So yeah, man, I'm just passed through. They got 1 and 2 stools too that's selling, you understand, thing said way just like the market. But yeah, man, are good vibes. Mike, what happened?
You know, is it good?
Yeah. Alright, so Tata want to use it machine with jaw so money out tight, a good vibes. Take out so money out tight sitting in that him want do an idea. Him want to do something. Good vibes, people, yeah, so we're outside said way. Yeah, man. Merry Christmas to everybody that's watching. We're here in West Croydon. What's that over there? People have to come in our business, you know, because look, right here in West Croydon, yeah. You see, boss man, I've been shopping with him for a good time now, and he's a good brother. And now he's got the shop right here in West Croydon, people, yeah. Yeah, let me show you. Wow, man, let me show them what I got, man. The righteous of people, West Croydon, yeah. You have to give me some meat for this one. You think a joke? Meat masters. Boss man, let me get £5 of lamb chops for the channel, because I just put you on the channel, on the YouTube.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I need it for the homeless. A good vibe. Big up the people then. Allow me. You understand? But then, you know, they have to give some food for the homeless. I don't know, joke thing, you know, because if they want to go up on the channel, people, they have to, you understand? A good vibes. Yeah, man. Yes, people, so you know it's that festive period, so I want a dragon fruit, yeah. This one here is a dragon fruit. And I want the granola as well, people, yeah. And I want a Sharon fruit as well, people, yeah. So we're gonna get some exotic fruits, yeah. Yeah, man, a good vibe. We're just here in West Croydon. And 1 second, want some lychee as well. You bust my coconut for me? Yeah. My coconut, my jelly coconut bust open as well, so I'm gonna eat my jelly coconut. Let me get, what's this one called? Grenadilla, people, yeah. And this one is the dragon fruit, isn't it?
It's pita.
Pita.
Yellow pita, it's like dragon fruit.
Yellow pita, yeah, yellow pita. 1 second, and I want 1 second. Yes, people, yeah, good vibes. We're outside, said way. You understand? What's this one called? Rabuta. It's expensive, isn't it? Yeah. Rabuta, yeah. Let's see the price of the Rabuta. Rotted, people. It's like a lychee. Okay, how much is it?
260.
Alright, 260, yeah.
260
260 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 Rabuta.
260 for 5 of these, people. You see how expensive they are? Alright. And how much is the lychee?
£2.
Alright, the lychee, yeah, look a bag of lychee, £2, a good vibes. Alright, that is it, yeah. That is it, a good vibes, yeah. Right, everybody, everything come up to 10.57, so a good vibes. So we're going to be trying some exotic fruits today as well. Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, a good vibes. That is it. Mad. Jelly coconut, mad people, yeah, a good vibe. Pula juice, lychee, Mmm. Still there, the West Scribe people. Yeah man, good vibe. Mmm. Mad. This one is absolutely amazing. It's so caramelly. Wow. Whoa. So make me make up. This one make me make up noise. This one's mad. Look at it. This one's called a granadola. I hope I got the name right, people, yeah? But this one's absolutely amazing. A delicious flavor. It's like caramelized. With a nice sweetness. The texture is soft. It's really nice. That's all I can say. Good vibe. See sugar cane? Mad. Yo. So you know, it's just sugar cane, people, yeah. The one where sugar come from. And the famous Ray nephew as well. It's like a bamboo shoot. It's really sweet. It carries a lot of juice. It's soft. The flavors is like a honeyish taste, sugar taste. Anything that you taste like sugar mixed in the water. This is it, people, yeah. But an authentic version. Look at around my mouth, people, yeah. Messy because like the trashes of the sugar cane, yeah. That's the residues of what it leaves behind. You understand? I'm just gonna tuck in right now. Mad. People, it's a merry vibes here, said we in Croydon. Yeah man, the people are going back with their business. Yeah man, a good vibes.